We finally got an example of the Superocean Breitling just released, and I gotta tell you, they've absolutely outdone themselves. This is one of the most beautiful modern dive watches I've ever seen. You've got this incredible ring around the outside in white, black dial in the middle, some red accents to give it just that little pop of color. But what I really love about this piece is the minute and hour hands. Look at this incredible shape. You've got sort of a Tudor sword shape on the hour hand, and then the minute hand is basically just a thin line with just a real thick square there for the minute. Really unique, not anything I've seen any other brand really try and do. All of the markers are square too, sort of keeping with that motif. Something else you'll recognize from Breitling is we do have a high polished center link here. So with most Superoceans and modern Superoceans, you do have to like kind of a shiny steel, but this is such a gorgeous watch. The white really pops and is going to attract a lot of attention. So if you want that, if you really want an attention getter of a dive watch, get this one at SwissWatchExpo.com.